Hi guys, today we have a product from Amazon Basics, a 50-inch mobile tripod. So guys, when we flip over the box, we find some specs, and let's just start with the unboxing. So let me just open the box first, and now inside we find a beautiful pouch that is used to carry the, tripod. And let me just now keep the box aside and open the bag. And there is a wonderful package inside, and it contains aluminum tripod for me. I had ordered it on Amazon Basics. So let's just take it out of the package. Let me just expand it and show you guys. Oh, it's pretty cool. It just shows like 7 inches. Now when I open it fully, it will be about 50 inches. The mobile holder is also very good. And now when we open it, it's just small. Now let me just expand it and remove the holders below that. Let me just open them and expand the tripod. Oh, beautiful. This is the big one. So this is the 50 inches mobile tripod. I have just opened it, and let me just lock the legs of the tripod so that it doesn't fold off. And now when I am done with the folding and there is a last leg remaining, let me just pull this a little bit. Yeah, it's done. So now next, let's just check out the tripod from the top to bottom. Sorry, from the bottom to top. Okay, there is a holder, and there is a branding of Amazon Basics on the leg. And let me just show you the extendable neck of the tripod. You just have a good knob over there to loosen and tighten up, and the smooth rotatory motion of the tripod is really smooth, and we have got some knobs so that we can loosen them and get a free movement. And there are many free movements. We can just control it with your one finger. And next is, oh yeah, there is a clip over there that can also be rotated and tightened as per your use. I'm just tightening it up. So guys, this was the unboxing of the 50-inch mobile aluminum tripod from Amazon Basics. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment down below your opinions about the tripod, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's it guys, meet you in the next video. Till then, keep watching our videos. Thank you. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye.